Welcome to my today's video. Today I'm going to talk about Skin Ceutical CE Ferulic Serum. This serum is one of a kind special serum, and this is one of luxurious serum. This serum for morning serum. This you can put only once, so you can put morning time and all day it will work. This is one of best serum for skin. Dermatologists and scientists are research for a long time about this serum, and they find out this serum is one of potential productive serum for skincare. This also one of best vitamin C serum. I mean, this serum is little bit expensive, but it really worth it. This has much higher antioxidant because CE ferulic acid is plant-based. So this has a lot of antioxidant benefits. It really best for our skin. In the morning time, we have to just take 4-5 drops on our palms like this. Then we just like this, and we cannot waste too much because this is very expensive. 4-5 drops is enough for all day. Even though this product is little bit expensive, but we should take good care of our skin with a good product. This contains its lot of good ingredients, and it really help to boost our skin. Like how we gonna apply this in our face. So whenever, like we usually do, we wake up, wash our face, and put some toner. After toner, we can put this, and after this, we can put our regular daytime cream, then sunscreens, like step by step. This serum has vitamin C and E and ferulic acid, so it protective and hydrating serum. This serum protect our skin from any environmental stress, and this serum fight for our skins like fine line and wrinkles. Dermatologists and scientists are recommended for this product. They mention that this for hyperpigmentation, raise skin dullness, dark marks, and sagging skin. Continuing using this serum, skin will youthful looking because it has a lot of antioxidant. This serum protect us from any environmental damage, like when we go outside, it's a lot of pollution or smoke exposure, and from any sun exposure. So it's serum. So this serum save us those kind of environmental things. Also, whenever we sit down with our laptop and our phone, the technology thing also affect of our skin. So this serum help to protect our skin from those kind of environmental damage. So daily use this serum, it will make your skin like plump skin. And CE Ferulic also work together to decrease the damage to the cells and slow down the aging process and decrease fine lines and wrinkles. And this also for any dry or normal skin is fine. This has vitamin C serum that provides environmental protection, lightens lines, firms skin, and brightens skin complexion. The dermatologists find out these really boost collagen and fight fine lines, wrinkles, and help fade any hyperpigmentation. This is one of so effective serum, and the texture of the serum is very lightweight. This serum only for morning, so you could protect your skin from any environmental damage. Lot of researchers, they research many years and they made this. This has L-ascorbic acids. These acids target pigmentation, acne, and early signs of aging. Ferulic acid, advanced signs of aging, dryness, sensitive skin. So definitely this serum is one of best effective high quality serum.